Ever wondered who keeps the digital world up and running? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the unsung heroes of the internet, Azure cloud engineers. These are the architects of the invisible infrastructure that powers our online lives. From streaming your favorite shows to running complex business applications, it's all enabled by the magic of cloud computing. And at the heart of this digital revolution, we find the Azure cloud engineer, a pivotal role in the modern tech landscape. Intrigued? Let's dive in and explore the world of an Azure cloud engineer. So, what exactly does an Azure cloud engineer do? Picture yourself as a gatekeeper of the digital world. You oversee the health of cloud services, ensuring they're running smoothly, effectively, and securely. You're the one who ensures that the cloud, this vast virtual environment we all depend on, is safe and sound. But that's not all. You manage cloud applications, making sure they're up to date, functioning properly, and meeting the demands of businesses and individuals alike. You're the one who ensures that the data stored in the cloud is accessible when needed and securely locked away when not. And then there's the troubleshooting. When things go wrong, you're the one to dive in and figure out what happened, and more importantly, how to fix it. You're the digital detective, the cloud connoisseur, the wizard of the web. It's a big job with big responsibilities. But what does it take to become one? Becoming an Azure cloud engineer isn't just about technical skills. Yes, a deep understanding of Azure services and a knack for coding are essential. But there's more to the role than just that. You see, the job demands a robust problem-solving ability. It's all about identifying issues, finding their roots, and implementing effective solutions. But what about the team? Well, an Azure cloud engineer doesn't work alone. You'll be part of a team collaborating with other experts, sharing your insights, and learning from others. The tools? They're as cutting edge as you'd expect. You'll be working with the latest Azure technologies, constantly updating your skills to stay on top of the game. And the journey doesn't end there. You'll be continuously learning, pushing your boundaries, and honing your skills. It's a role that's dynamic, challenging, and ever-evolving. Sounds challenging, right? But trust us, the rewards are worth it. Every job has its ups and downs. So what's in it for an Azure cloud engineer? Let's explore. First, the perks. One of the biggest draws is the financial reward. Azure cloud engineers are highly sought after, and this demand is reflected in the attractive salary packages that companies offer. Flexibility is another major perk. With the cloud being accessible from anywhere, this role often comes with the option to work remotely, offering you the freedom to balance your work and personal life. Plus, the status associated with being an Azure cloud engineer is not to be underestimated. You will be at the forefront of digital transformation, a key player in shaping the future of technology. Now let's talk about the challenges. Technology evolves at a rapid pace, and cloud technology is no exception. As an Azure cloud engineer, you'll need to stay on top of these changes. It's a job that requires constant learning and adaptation. It can be demanding, especially when dealing with complex cloud architectures or when a system goes down. You'll need to be quick on your feet, problem solving under pressure. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. It's through overcoming these hurdles that you'll build resilience, broaden your skill set, and prove your worth in the industry. The road to becoming an Azure cloud engineer may be tough, but the destination is truly rewarding. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Feeling inspired to become an Azure cloud engineer? That's the spirit. There's a whole universe of opportunities waiting for you in the cloud. It's not just about one role, the field is vast and ever expanding. You could also consider roles like cloud consultant, cloud architect, or even a DevOps engineer. Remember, the key to progression in this field is continuous learning. New technologies, tools, and practices emerge all the time. Staying updated is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. Consider joining online communities, forums, or groups dedicated to cloud technologies. There, you can exchange ideas, learn from others, and even find mentorship opportunities. Also, never underestimate the power of certifications. They not only validate your skills, but also help you stand out in the job market. The cloud is waiting for you. Are you ready to take the leap?